I have been meaning to do this for quite some time now, and I'm finally doing it. I want to put some tattoos in resin. I'm not saying I'm inventing this technique, I'm just saying I haven't done it, so I want to find out if it works for me. And also, Mother's Day is coming up. Well, here in the UK we've had it in March, but I know it's coming up in May everywhere else in the world, and so I thought let's make some coasters for Mother's Day using these tattoos. Let's see if it works. So I decided to use some mirrored acrylic blanks for this, and all I've done is peeled off the protective layer before I start to place the tattoos. So these are just from a sheet that I bought off of Amazon, and I've just selected the two that I want to use. One of my blank is a rose gold mirror, and the other one is gold, and I've decided to go with these two because I thought, you know, they're nice and different. So what you want to do is cut around the tattoo. If you don't do this, you will have a film around the edge, and that will show up on your coaster, so you definitely want to do that.
One eternity later.
So once I have done that, I'm going to take the film off of these and place these down just like you would on your skin if it were a normal tattoo. So that's me taking off the skin, and I'm just trying to sort of center it and place it down. And the next thing I do is take just some tap water in a cup and dab it on to the back. Again, like you would with a normal tattoo that you would be putting on your skin. And I'm just dabbing it, making sure it's all saturated. And now I'm nervous because it's time to peel this and see if it's worked. So here goes. And look, you guys, that looks so cool. I love it. That is so vibrant and nice. I'm just going to do the same with the second one. I won't bore you, and I will be back for the next bit.
A few moments later.
So now the tattoos are on, it's time for resin. I have mixed up my Jade Action Officials resin. I am an affiliate with them, and you can get 10% discount all of the products. They have a ton of different types of resins and molds and powders and UV resin and different tools, and you can get 10% discount by using the code Jessica on all of their products. Now, one thing before I put the resin on, I do want to say that you want to make sure that you clear out any water that would be left over from when we were transferring the tattoo, and any dust particles, because obviously that's going to show up through our resin. So make sure it's clean, and water and resin don't go well, so make sure you've wiped that water off. I decided I want to dome these just so then I don't have to worry about the bottom side, and I don't have any drips. So what I'm doing is just putting some resin on, and then I'm just going to use my popsicle stick and carefully just bring it along the edge, and hopefully have it not drip to the bottom so I don't have to deal with it. Now is a good time to remind you to subscribe, like and comment. It really helps my channel out, and I do reply to all my comments, and I would love for you to share your thoughts. Quick torch and just popping some bubbles, and I will come and do this a couple of times because I know some more of them will come up to the surface, and that's it really. We're going to leave it to cure.
The next day.
So it's the next day, guys, and these are now cured. I'm so pleased with how they turned out. Let me bring you guys in close to have a look.